As we step into 2025, AI is rapidly transforming the landscape of UX and UI design. This year, RenAI, the SaaS service developed by LEOTEK, is driving a new breakthrough, ushering in an unprecedented shift in digital experiences. Trend 1. Asset Management. Clearly separates different types of information. Categorizes exceptions with specific counts easy for users to quickly find. Provide immediate updates on asset conditions. Quickly dimming of a single luminaire. Next up is maintenance management. Geographical overview of assets, easy to locate and understand asset status. Provide immediate updates on asset conditions. Energy management. Utilizes charts to make complex data easy to understand. Simply tap to adjust the dimming settings. Number 4. Carbon management. Calculate carbon reduction benefits based on dimming strategies. Auto-calculates emissions based on energy data. AI robot. Generate the text or table required by the user through dialogue. Priority vehicle access. Pre-display of vehicle destination and route. The road section can be zoomed in and displayed as needed. Adjust the signal light status or duration immediately based on the vehicle's movement to allow vehicles to pass smoothly. Whether you're the administrator, maintainer, operator, or a basic user, this video will give you a glimpse into the future. Let's begin this journey into the evolution of intelligent management.